Hi, this is the Loop Keewee bike manual. First, I'm going to tell you about the main things you need to know about the Keewee, and in the second part we go into a bit more detail about different components. Let's go. There are two codes in the email. One you need to open the battery compartment, and one you need to open the big chain lock. Inside the battery compartment is an additional key for the wheel lock, which is here. There's also a key for the battery, so the battery is locked up twice, once with the padlock and once with its own key. The key doesn't come out unless you lock the wheel up. Alright, let's make sure that the engine works. To do so, press the button here for 2 or 3 seconds, then the screen will turn on. If the screen doesn't turn on, it could be that the battery switch is off. To make sure that it's on, you can either remove the battery and flip the switch, or you can just reach behind the battery and turn the flip to the other side. Now the bike is unlocked, the engine is on, and you're ready to go. There are a few components that you can adjust. For example, the seat has a quick release. You can open it up, adjust the seat height, then close it again. Put it a bit lower than you would usually do on a regular bike, so the load is a bit lower. Then here is the engine controller. There are blinking lights. This will just indicate what turn you're making, and it helps together with the hand signals. Then there is the internal light. Here are the front and back lights. There is the assist. There are the gears. There's a honk. There's a phone holder. First unlock, then open, then put your phone on, and by putting pressure on this button, close it again and lock it. To lock the parking brake, press the lever and press down this metal knob. It will lock the lever. To unlock it, press and let go. You'll find the charger either plugged into the bike like this. The charger could be in the battery compartment as well. Also have a look into the sailbag. Sometimes we already prepare it in the sailbag. There is a rain cover in this bag, and you can put it over this frame. It's quite easy to use. Just open the screws. Then you can lift it up. Max, close it again, and put the rain cover above. The Keewee is a great bike because it's easy to learn for new beginners how to ride it. It has a center engine and has a low gravity point. It's easy to steer, and it has space for up to 4 children. It's the only bike in our fleet where 4 children can ride along, and it's a good choice for families with 2 or more kids. Have an awesome day together outside with the Keewee bike.